Hello, dear managers. Now we are here to see and to learn some aspects of management. And here we will discuss some topics that are concerned to management. And here, introduction to management, I will discuss. Now, objectives, understanding management concept. First of all, we will learn the management concept. The concept which run from one mind to another, from the owner's mind to the manager's mind, and manager's mind to the workers or to the other staff members. Characteristics of management. Now, the characteristics of management include group endeavor, goal oriented and component of production, universal properties, pervasive properties and distinct functions, social process also, and these are the characteristics of management that we will discuss one by one in our lectures. Now, the functions of management. Which functions management performs? First one is planning, then organizing, staffing, directing, and then controlling. First of all, a plan generates in the mind of any entrepreneur, for which he starts an organizing function through this the process of building and all these things, all the amenities that are required for that, and then staffing. A good staff can lead a good management. A good staff is required for a good company. Then directing. Functions of management also include the directing process, because each and every step requires a direction. Hence, directing is must. Then controlling. If something is beyond the limit or below the limit, then controlling is required for the organization. Management is the attainment of organizational goals in an effective and efficient manner through planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Then organizational resources, using organizational resources. So resources, what we include in resources, these are the organizational resources. Here, elite support environment, then scientific support, then competition opportunities, coach education and provisions, training and competition facilities, athletic career support if some sport events is there, sport type of management is there, talent identification and development. This is the crucial factor in any organization, that is talent identification and development of talent also. So only need of talented person is not the limit, but the talented person should teach or should give their knowledge to other persons also for the development of the organization. Then youth participation. When youth comes for any organization under the supervision of any aged person, aged is experienced person, so the organization runs exponentially. Then governance and organization. How the governance process proceed and how the governance leads to inculcate the properties, inculcate the opportunities for any organization. This is the best property of any governance. So governance should be good, and financial support need where the need arises, there should be financial support from the organizational heads. Now come to some definitions. Louis E. Bone and David L. Kurst. The use of people and other resources to accomplish objectives. Here we are using the people and other resources. As I have described the resources in my previous slide, the resources to accomplish our objectives. So this was the scientist and snapshot of this scientist, Louis E. Bone. And next scientist, Mary Parker Follett. She had given a statement that the act of getting things done through people. This is the management is the act of getting things done through people. You can't do. You have to get the work done by any other person. And as per the Frederick Taylor, he defines management as the art of knowing what you want to do in the best and cheapest way. Cheapest way may be explained as a miser, but in management, the cheapest way is the best way. Now, the characteristics of management. Management is a distinct process. Management is an organized activity. This is an organized activity, and a hierarchy is also followed in the management process. Then management aims at the accomplishment of predetermined objectives. If a company is dealing with some electrical instruments, so their aim is to produce electrical goods and services also. So he or this company cannot produce a pharmaceutical. So electrical company, the goals are decided, the objectives are decided to produce only electrical goods. Then management is both a science and an art. Obviously here this is a subject of science as well as art also, and persons from science stream as well as art stream both come for management. And management is both a science and an art. Management is a group activity. Individual person cannot perform any managerial activity. Management principles are universal in nature. These principles are universal in nature, and they are same for each and every company, factory, or any management system, school system, hospital system, your engineering college, pharmacy college, medical college, any management. The principles are universal in nature. Management integrates human and other resources. They integrate human and various types of human, various skills found in humans are just extracted by the good managers. Now the concept of management, as per Raymond G. Leon, management by communication, management by systems, management by results, management by participation, management by motivation, management by exception, and management by objectives. So these are the types of management, concept of management by Raymond G. Leon. Then steps involved in management by objectives. To establish long-term and short-term organizational goals. If the management system is for long-term goals, like any good education system, disaster management system, that is a short-term. If any, you can say road building, this may be a short-term if the road length is not so high. To establish long-term and short-term objectives for each manager, clarifying the key performance standards, and periodic review of performance. This is a good as well as bad also. Periodic review of performance of in any industry or in any management system. Encouraging managers to accept responsibility. Encouraging managers to accept responsibility. If you see the concept of marketing, some marketing manager sells a particular amount of the product, but sometimes when he reaches in a meeting, then more task is given to him that yes, you can do. So this is also encouraging manager to accept responsibility as well as task oriented also. There are some benefits of this, you can say management by objectives. Why we are selecting objectives to accomplish our management system. The need for planning will be recognized. It provides for objectives and accountability for performance. It encourages participative management. It helps in job enrichment. It provides for a good feedback system. So these are some benefits of management based outcomes.